I'm Jim Bond. I'm a kinetic sculptor and I make things that move. And I do some work with I.O.U, but I also work freelance and make work for exhibitions. My route into my practice was working in London, doing a degree in 3D design and jewellery, and I went to work for 2 kinetic sculptors during my placement year and continued to work with them, and I've always done kinetic work ever since. One of the most memorable responses to my work has been when I exhibited a glass eye which blinks and it operates with a sensor, and it was in Helsinki, and a man came and stood in front of it, and he decided to try and outstare the machine, but because he stood exactly still, the sensor couldn't see him, and so the machine wouldn't blink and then he wouldn't blink, but the machine was always going to win. Today we're going to make some mock-ups of small versions of volatile light using clockwork mechanisms and hand-turned and also spirographs to try and generate random interesting patterns using LEDs. My dream project would be having a large budget, a large space and plenty of time. At the moment, probably making more light installations, kinetic light installations. In terms of mentors, the person who I would ask for technical information if I'm stuck would be Tim Hunkin, who I first worked for when I was at university and did a placement for. And he did engineering at Cambridge University, and he kind of knows everything that I need to know. The best piece of advice I've been given probably was that once you begin being self-employed, you become unemployable, and therefore you might as well just keep going. Artists should be involved in making sessions because you're always going to learn something, even if you think you know everything. I think each artist has got their own specialism, and so if you come to a making session, there's bound to be something new. So I just want to say it's always a pleasure to come down to I.O.U and do some work, so it should be an enjoyable evening.